Well, it doesn't have exposed mirrors, so you can scan in the rain. So a lot of scanners have exposed mirrors. You get water on those mirrors and it can screw your data up. Here, because there's no exposed mirrors, we can scan in the rain and you don't have to wait for it to stop raining. Same thing with the snow. You know, moisture is moisture, rain or snow. With snow, you get a little, other problems that you might run into is it's really cold when it's snowing out, obviously. But this scanner can go down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it's snowing and it's really cold, we can still scan. Where some scanners, they can't go below freezing. You know, obviously in the northern hemisphere when it gets really cold out in the wintertime. We can scan in complete darkness. We'll have to show those scans more in a grayscale intensity or color-coded intensity for it to pop out. But if we light up the scene, we can show that photographs will be more colorized, and we can colorize our point cloud to make it more like true color.